Hey, how y'all doing? We just pulled up at a barbecue place. If you need some barbecue, it's Stinking Ribs, Sticky Ribs, Stinking Ribs. We got the kids sitting down already. We got a table. Here we are.
You're cheating.
Right, so we ordered the food. We ordered some ribs, some brisket, some sausage, and some mashed potatoes and some mac and cheese. But we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Go ahead and try it out and. We got some sausage. We got some ribs. We got some ribs and some brisket.
Potato salad. Mac and cheese, of course.
Looks good. Does it look better than McDonald's?
Hey, by the way, the kids wanted McDonald's.
We stopped by on the way over here. So
You don't want
they ate
barbecue.
already.
Barbecue is for daddy.
So basically all of this
It's for
for
us.
us. Y'all want some? Y'all can come join us. Come join us at
That's stinky.
Stink.
I mean, sticky.
Sticky Ribs.
It's in Forney, Texas.
This is funny? Oh yeah. Is it?
If you guys have any suggestions where we need to go out and try new food, doesn't matter what type of food, we're like very open-minded, right?
Yeah. Like
Joe is really open-minded. We can go anywhere.
There's this place that I want to go to. It's called. I forgot the name, but it's a place where they give you a burger. It's is it a popcorn burger?
Comment down below where we need to go eat next time. Make sure that's good.
Anyways, it's a bread burger about this size, big in your face. We got it now. We'll finish it. Burger's free. It's a $50 burger. That's where I want to go next.
Are we doing a competition?
No competition. Just I'm not gonna eat for 2 days, and then I'm gonna finish it. We'll go ahead and say our prayers.
Amen.
It's good. Super good.
I think you're gonna say that these don't have a lot of flavor. The brisket.
Why do we always have to eat brisket? Like sometimes.
It's a Texas thing.
Ah!
Comment down below. Where else do we need to go? I mean, it doesn't matter the place, right? What about where at? It can be out in the country.
Shoe fly. Don't bother me.
One day, we went to San Antonio. Just family time, right? Shout out to, what's that place called? We might do a tutorial. Next time that we go to San Antonio,
El
we're gonna...
Bucanero.
El Bucanero.
That's the best.
San
place,
Antonio, wow.
Best shrimp place.
Shout out to El Bucanero. Yeah, it was really good. And then we referred my parents, and they went, and then my parents referred like other relatives. And then who else has been there that we know? I don't know, but it's always packed, and they're usually like making a line, right? I don't know about right now, but yeah, we were in line for like, I don't even know, but it was super good. One of the best places that I've ever tried. Like, what did we have? Like cocktail shrimp.
Had some shrimp, some pulpo.
We'll make a video next time. You guys have to go. We're actually having a good time.
Yep.
It's a beautiful day. It's an outdoor thing. We're not close to nobody. And Joel's almost done.
Some brisket.
And the kids are quiet, calm.
They're always quiet and calm.
Let me master the heat.
Don't just tell her that. We're gonna upload.
Look at that.
So they're gonna upload it.
You still keep your 6 foot distance. We're the only people here. Look at that. Okay, Texas. Okay, I see you. Gordita. I know. Yeah. Well, there was like, maybe like 3 chairs. I mean, 3 tables. And that was all. Tiana. Look at this. You guys. Ooh. I want these. Well, supposedly they're just doing the outdoor table things just because of everything that's going on. The coronavirus. Huh? It's very well cleaned, sanitized. I'm telling Joe. I didn't even see a fly. I don't know why. But, they're just doing this outdoor thing because of the COVID. But I'd say they should keep it this way.
I'm looking at this mountain, I wonder, Lord, if you're right here, will you help me climb? Yeah, looking at this mountain, I wonder, Lord, if you're right here, will you help me climb? Yeah, let me hear that sound, Lord. Take me down slow. Help me with my unbelief. Yeah. Help me to see how you see. Man, it broke me down. I seen my pops cry last night. I was lost for words. Lord, I pray you help me this way, this building, I'm so concerned. Take a look around, I see my people drowning. They looking for hope, but they neglect the one that brings them guidance. Look at the family, look at the ministry, look at the place that God has brought me to. But what do you do whenever these thoughts don't get up off of you? There is no love, there is no power, there is no good in you. What do you do whenever these voices keep on pushing you? Spending more time with you, yeah. Gotta lay down my life for this. Praying only when I need it. I can be alright with this. I'ma keep praising you, Lord. Get rid of all these idols here. I'ma give you my all, cause you're the one who put this life in here, Lord. Help me climb up. Sometimes the mountain looks so high up, But your word says that you will be right here with me all the days of my life, the days of my life. Looking at this mountain, I wonder, Lord, if you're right here, will you help me climb? Yeah, looking at this mountain.
I'm still not used to this coronavirus mask. You gotta wear a mask. Not used to it.
All right, you guys. So here we are at what's actually Sweet Frog, but we tend to call it Froggies since the kids were little. It's like, look, who wants to go to Froggies? So here we are. We got a whole bunch of flavors. What are you gonna want, Ian? Cookies and cream. Okay. Let me see. Cookies and cream. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, baby Ian. Just like a baby. Joe, what are you eating? Baby? Tart. Our favorite? Let's see. Ooh. Oh, and it's pink, Leslie. Around, around, go around, go around, go around, go around, go around. Oh my God, no, Leslie. Oh, Leslie. JJ? Strawberry? Okay, just be careful, okay? JJ likes strawberry. Titi? ¿Qué quieres, mi gordita? No, gordita. ¿Cuál quieres? Vamos a servirle un vasito a gordita. ¿Qué quieres, mi gordita? Nieve. A ver, dale poquito like the pink one, like yours. I'll tell. Like that. That's good. Dáselo, Titín. Ten, gordita.
You feel me?
Sí, por favor. Gracias.
Daddy, could you give me a little bit more?
JJ's getting mango. Strawberry pops. Ooh, sprinkles, JJ. Cereal. One and one? One and one? Okay, JJ, that's it. Okay, we're gonna wait for more. Hold on, JJ. Ian, you want anything from this side? Baby Ian's turn. Okay, baby Ian. Look at this, you guys. Apparently, Ian likes Oreos. Okay.
Chocolate waffle. Strawberry one. Strawberry one. Well, yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold on.
Can
Hold
I
on.
also get
Yeah, Leslie's turn. Froggy stands for fully rely on God. Mission statement. Pretty nice.
Maple pecan.
What did you get, Leslie?
So I got these waffles and
Uh-huh.
little strawberry poppers
And a butterfly.
and
Nice, Leslie.
Gummy bears.
Okay, Joe. Interesting. Okay, hold on. Okay, Joe. Here. I'll go get it.
Here, 40.
BFF brings you frozen yogurt when the struggle is real. Okay. Sweet frog. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get, as usual, tart. Definitely getting tart. Okay. Oh god. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Hold it for me.
Okay. So my mom is getting. No more time.
Maybe God doesn't want me to gain weight.
No.
Come on, tart. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Okay. Okay, apparently God doesn't want me to gain weight. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so
Okay,
for
next.
me, I'm on a diet. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do mango, please. Corn. That's perfect. And then I'll do strawberries as well.
Poppers, mommy. Get the poppers.
Poppers, strawberry poppers. A little bit of almonds. That's good. And that's like it. That's it.
Pick the wafers, mommy. Wafers.
No, baby, I'm good like this.
Okay. So my mom got this delicious. Okay, so now let's taste. Nutella.
Definitely.
Even she's on a diet.
And I needed this because today was a hot day. I mean, like, it's super hot. I mean, this is the coldest thing in the world. So it's like, it's very good. So when it's super hot, what I got,
Oh my god.
what I got is strawberry, chocolate, chocolate chamoy, those red poppers.
I only got wafers, poppers,
The cereal
and yeah. Because I don't really like meat and ice cream. Eat too much sugar. Just to let you know, right here in that mention statement.
Look at my haircut. And I have line hair, guys. You see that line? You see my line here, guys? My dad cut my hair cut.
Okay guys, just to let you know, the mission statement from Sweet Frog is the FORG in Sweet Frog stands for fully really on God. And we live by our motto every day by being good neighbors through low price partnerships and fulfilling each efforts, I guess. So what this Sweet Frog is talking about is, so that's a good thing because we're Christian. Right, Daddy?
We fully rely on God. That's what frog stands for. Sweet frog.
So there's my mom
And
and
then
Ian over there.
Everything game with a scene.
These are like
Let 'em
Sweet
get
Frog's
down to the
kids.
root. I just wanna bear proof with the holy
it was
one, the
so
only one. You
good.
will never see a real
It
soldier
was
run. I'm
delicious.
boasting in
Yeah, I
Jehovah's
needed
love.
it.
I got this Bible on me. I ain't seeking no title, homie. I don't care about the fame. I do not care if I go viral, homie.
finna ride. We finna leave. It's a sunny day in Dallas. Baby, you like it?
If you ever want to come here, you go to Stikyribs
In Dallas.
I'm feeling holy like Zion. Strike the devil out, no them Ryan. I'm like swing, better swing. Santiago, do it for the king. Something like the